only 70 days are left for CA exams. Would you believe me if I tell you that you can still clear the exams even if you have not started your self preparation and you have only done the concepts only once in the classes? So, hello everyone, this is CA Archana Agarwal, and today we'll be discussing how you can clear the second group of your CA final exams in the remaining 70 days. Starting from AMA, first complete your OR and QT portion and start solving all the questions that you have in your practice manual and study material. After you are done with both of them, try solving all the RTPs and past year paper questions. Now you will realize that almost all the questions are covered in the practice manual itself, and you will find only one or two questions extra which are not there in the PM, and you will mark those questions in your RTPs and mock test papers. So every time you are revising, you will not do all the questions again. You will only do those questions which you have marked. So that will also save your time, and you will not do the questions twice or thrice, because same questions are there in the RTPs that you have in the practice manual. In costing also, I referred only the PM and study material, and along with that, I also referred RTPs and past year papers, like just like in the OR and QT portion. Now, in costing, please mark all the adjustments that you find new or tricky in each of the questions simultaneously. That will help you when you will revise next. Last and the most important, write at least two mock papers in the actual exam condition and analyze where you are going wrong, and see whether you're able to complete the paper on time. For mock papers, write institute's actual exam papers only. You can write any last two attempts papers in the actual exam conditions, and see where you are lacking, where your preparation is lacking, and where you need to work more. So that was all for AMA. Now, in SCMP, so for theory, refer institute study material. For practical, refer study materials questions plus old practice manuals questions. And for case studies, refer institute's case studies only. And all those past year papers and RTPs and mock test papers, and write mocks in this also. Coming on to ISCA. Now, ISCA is one such subject that can make you clear your Group 2 and score an exemption in Group 2. But for that, you will have to prepare it really, really, really well. Don't leave any chapter of ISCA. Complete all the 8 chapters, because all the chapters are equally important. Study material that I used for ISCA is Institute study material and practice manual and past year papers and RTPs. Prepare ISCA daily in the morning for 2 to 3 hours, because what happens in ISCA is you tend to forget whatever you have read the previous day. So cumulative revisions are very important in ISCA, and it also gives you confidence. Lastly, write 2 mock test papers of ISCA and see where you are going wrong, and analyze and learn from those mistakes. In elective subject, make sure that your material that you are referring is at par with the institute's material, and refer all the questions that the institute material has, and past year papers and mock test papers and RTPs, all those questions that you have to do. And also write mock test papers, 2 mock test papers in elective subject as well. Coming on to direct tax, refer to the material that you are using for the provisions. Plus, you have to use one question bank that has all the questions of the past year exams, and the answers has to be updated because of the rapidly changing amendments and all of that. Plus, you can refer this attempts RTPs and mock test papers only, because past year's attempts RTPs and mock test papers won't be updated. So don't refer that. Simply write 2 mocks and see where you're going wrong, and analyze and learn from those mistakes. Coming on to IDT. So for IDT, Institute's study material is good enough. Prepare your short notes from the material. Plus do the questions that the Institute material has. The RTPs questions, the past year papers questions, and for customs and FTP also make your short and very crisp notes, and refer institute's questions also, and write 2 mock test papers. That was all from my side this time. If you found the video to be helpful, then like the video and also share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.